Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and remove the radio on this Volkswagen. This one is a Passat, but as you know, the majority of the Volkswagen interior, they look just like this, so it's gonna be the same procedure. You want a flathead screwdriver, and you can tape it so you don't damage the panel, but you can use just the flathead by itself. So you need to find yourself between one of these cracks between the dash and this silver panel right here. We need to remove this whole thing right here. So the easiest way to find it is behind the steering wheel. You can use your finger hook right here and pull on it. So once you pull on it, just pry on it. Once you get it open, take your so that's how you do it so far. Now you got to take out these 4 torque screw, and it's going to be a T20 torque. The reason why I'm changing this radio is because from here, this way work with the touchscreen. From here to that way, the touchscreen doesn't work. So the only thing that can cause that to happen like that is the radio itself. It's not no fuse, none of that. It's just a bad radio. So once that's done, you can go ahead and pull the radio out, and it will come straight out. So in the back, you want to pull on these. You see, I just pull this right here, pull on it and pull back. Same thing on this one. So basically what I'm showing you is you got to pull this part back like this and squeeze down on it and pull back on it. So this clip right here, you got to squeeze this in, pull back. That's right there. Let's squeeze that out. So basically, you gotta squeeze this part down, this little piece right here. You gotta squeeze this and pull back with it. So squeeze and go back with it. Alright guys, so once that is done, you want to get the next radio and then install the new radio. You might want to take a picture of this right here for your radio and try to keep the VIN of where you get it from. So why I'm doing this is because sometimes you put in a radio, the radio might lock to the other car, so you might have to call the dealer to get the code. So you just want to plug back everything in. Once that's plugged in, plug that in, plug that in. So I guess you don't need it because the radio come on. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the car up. So I guess you can just swap the radio. So yeah, as you can see, component protection is active. So you can't turn up the radio or anything. You can switch the channel though. Let me see. So you can turn the radio up and down, but you can switch the radio channel, and you're gonna have that component protection is active. So the next thing is you gotta decode it or take it to the dealer and they will sort it out for you. So yeah guys, the person is coming to, I'm just gonna finish put up everything basically, and then you gotta get somebody to reprogram it. You can take it to the dealer and they will reprogram it for you, but you're gonna need the code from I think you're gonna need this code right here. This code right here. Let's see, let's start with VW on the side of the radio. So the code, let's start with VW. That's the code you gotta get. It's different on every radio because it's different on the radio that's in the car, but they all start with VW. So that's the one you gotta get. Bring it to the dealer and they will reprogram it. So guys, just catch here for T20 Torx, and then you can catch this back and just push it in until you hear it click. So you just want to push it all the way around, and once you clip in, that's it. You can go ahead and start the car up. So I'm gonna take it to the dealer, or I might, oh I know this guy. So this guy gonna come and put the code in this radio. It's gonna code the radio to the vehicle. So once he code the radio to the vehicle, I will just come back and I will show it to you guys that the radio is working. And also guys, please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. So guys, as you can see, he come and he clean it, so it's good. No. So yeah, that's it for this one. So you guys know how to change the radio. You can go to the dealer. You say you can go to the dealer and they will clear it for you, but you need to get the code from here that starts with VW on the side of the radio. Alright, so it's gonna be on the side, not at the top. And that's it. Peace out guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel.